Ndisisi wangu akasitoka uyu anga atoperegedzwa nehama dzake mhuri yeZimbabwe kuti vabvise sisi vangu vari stroke vaya uyu kuti vavabvise nokuti vari kripita pane zvavanoita uyu.
Unoziva here kuti pane nyaya yevanhukadzi yekumadhays enyu eropa yekumaperiods. Munozviziva here kuti even Bible, the life of a creature is in the blood. Hakuna covenant inoitika pasina ropa. Pasina ropa. Madhays enyu are very sensitive, are very spiritual. Madhays ekuti a lot of things zvinoitika. Every woman must understand that every spiritual covenant against a woman inoitwa kana mukadzi ari kumadhays ake ndopanoitwa every covenant, and also that's why covenants are renewed. That's why you discover the spiritual husband usually inoda kurara nemukadzi ari madhays ake. Why? Because he, my God, animals pa division wa munhu paitwa covenant. So spiritual husband ino continue, ino revive covenant with a person in monthly basis. Painorara newe uri kumazuva ako semunhukadzi ya renew a covenant. So it's like a covenant is renewed every month. That's why you discover kuti vamwe venyu unoita ma irregular, whereby nhasi waenda after 3 months, waenda after 4 months. As in the dreams, you start to see your men's kwako muhope, but pa physical asiri kuitika. It's a sign yekuti someone, there are spirits that are collecting your blood. Number 2, dzimwe nguva unoita amadays anopfuura 5 days to an extent yekuti a month yese uchienda kumadays ako semukadzi waibda ropa. It's a sign that your blood is collected. Or unoita serious majeko ma-attacks or ma-days ako emunhukadzi. Listen to me. Why is it nyaya ye-period yemunhukadzi yakakosha? Because the blood rekuma-periods is very important. It's currents in the spiritual realm. In the demonic world, it's currents. Into ngepfuma, into ngemari. Why? Because if they have access to your blood, if they have access to your blood, it's easy for them to have access to your destiny. But this is the blood that is coming out of you monthly basis. So if they have access to your blood, just know that they have access also to your destiny. And they have access also to your childbearing. They access also to your unborn children. They have access. So ropa rere vakaritora rinovapa simba rekuaccessa your womb. Rinovapa simba rekuaccessa even your tubes. So you need to stop them before they stop you. The only one way to deal with this is through a covenant of the blood. You need to break the covenant that was done with your blood through the covenant of the blood of Jesus Christ. You need to be helped to break the covenant. Why is these spirits? They always want to come when you are in your days or close to your days, because they know that by collecting the blood of your days, they are filling their power bank with power. It's like empowering them. By having the blood, the Rakakosha days is to empower you. Is to empower you. That's why you discover those people who are demonic. Vantura ropa rekumwedzi woriomesa vorikuya vodyisa munhu iye anofa ari in their bondage. So listen to me. I want to pray with you. What are my problems are? +263 772 573 787 +263 772 573 787. WhatsApp me. Let me pray with you. This nonsense must stop. It must come to an end. Jesus wants to set you free. Jesus wants to deliver you. Jesus wants you to be free. Why can't you come to Jesus? This Sunday we are dealing with the deliverance of the bloodline. Why can't you join me? God bless you.